welcome back. It is the most wonderful time of the year. And you know what, guys? I'm celebrating. I'm celebrating because I'm so glad you've asked. I have all of my decorations up around the house and it just feels so Christmassy in this place. I love it so much. It's just so pretty, so Christmassy, and so holly jolly, especially downstairs. I didn't do anything really outside. I have like my outdoor Christmas tree, which is decent enough, I guess, and a wreath on my door, but that's about the extent of out there. Upstairs, not so much, but come check it out. I'll show you what downstairs looks like. And to your left, you will see garland on the banister thing. We have holly jolly stocking hanging, but yes, this is the same setup as last year on the stairwell. And then we have another hanging stocking, which is super fun. I have gingerbread men overlooking this pretty table. Tidings of comfort and joy. And I got coasters and a fun gnome on the table and a bunch of other stuff. This is a new setup, not necessarily new stuff, but I think it's pretty. And then you got a Santa Claus hat on the TV, and it's really fun to watch TV. Whenever a character wears that hat on the screen, it gives me giggles. Christmas trees all decorated and pretty, and we already have presents under the tree. Super awesome. And then this wax melter smells like Christmas trees, so we can pretend that this is a real tree even though it's not. Shh. And then I got this like cheap garland. It was like $3 or $5, something like that, at Target. And then there's these little lights that I wrapped around it. You can't really see, but when it's dark outside, it glows and it's really nice. I like it. More Target cheap garland over there. It by no means looks real, but I think it's really pretty. It is pretty. I like it. And I also got this little hanging. I've never really decorated above my sink and it looks so bare, but when I did it over Halloween, it had me inspired. So that pop of red over the white tile, how fun. Did this a little differently this year. Not much. The tinsel garland's still up there. I got my Santa, my reindeer. This year I put that little mini tree up there. Oh, I almost forgot a really fun part. We have a little center, something to make the counter look festive. I like it a lot. Same kitchen mat, stuff like that. Nothing too fancy as far as that goes. I did do one extra fun thing, which the bathroom is the same as last year with the all is bright towels, the little toilet snowman, which is so cute. Like, he's so happy. I wanted to keep this wreath up, but I did stick some little stuff in it to make it look Christmassy. Woohoo! Like I said, not much new around the house this year, but we have very pretty festive setup and I love it. Another thing fun. This doesn't smell like pine trees, but this smells like gingerbread cookies. And it just smells so good. I love being down here, immersed in the Christmas spirit. Anyway, guys, now we're getting to the real reason I brought you all here today. And it's very important. Important news. Write it down, but don't quote me because it may or may not be truly important, but we just say that because it's exciting. Gosh, I'm really extra today. I don't know what's going on. Milo, I just have to show you off for a minute because you've been sitting here for a hot minute. Hi guys. Just looking adorable. He was sitting here while I was putting makeup on. He was watching me put makeup on. And now he's just like, I'm chilling like a villain. Chilling like a sweet Milo kitty. All right, guys, focusing. It is that great time of year again, but it's also kind of a stressful time of year because, you know, Christmas presents and a lot of spending. You just gotta make sure you budget. Very important, very key. You gotta make sure that you don't procrastinate. You gotta get it done. I'm saying this because I kind of procrastinated more than I usually do. As you saw, I have most of my gifts here wrapped under the tree. They're looking great if I do say so myself. I didn't procrastinate too badly, but what I usually do and what I usually recommend, Cyber Monday, good. Oh, I almost said Good Friday. That is not right. That is like months from now, and it's not as good as it sounds. If you're Catholic out there, you know what I'm talking about. Black Friday shopping, Cyber Monday shopping, any kind of deals you can get, and get as much Christmas stuff shop for. That way you have your December budget and you don't have to worry about breaking in to present money in December. Usually I do that. Budget to Christmas shop in November and I get it done because I don't want to deal with it. This year, I didn't do that. But I did do something a little silly. Instead of Christmas shopping for other people on Cyber Monday and Black Friday, I shopped for Elaina. This year, for whatever reason, I just kind of had fun, kind of went ham. So, welcome. This is officially the theme of the video. I'm going to show you the fun finds I got. Cyber Monday, Black Friday shopping, all of it was online because I was not going out there and dealing with lines on Black Friday. Anyway, this brings us to our first item. Check this out. Technically, it came free with my Ulta purchase. And here we go again. Guess who spent too much at Ulta? Seems to be a reoccurring theme in my life. But listen, Linda, listen, please, honey, listen. It was worth it. I'm sitting on the floor for this one and I'm gonna wrap myself up in my free Ulta blanket. I didn't have to spend 30 bucks on a blanket. That 30 bucks went elsewhere in the purchase anyway. I don't know why, but I've been just vibing, sitting on the floor for these videos lately, it seems like. I don't know, maybe it's the yoga. Grounding. I'm gonna start with the best. I got another Urban Decay Naked palette and I am living. These are $50. $50, if not more dollars. I got this 50% off. This was $24 and like 95 cents, something like that. And I said, don't mind if I do. I have not opened this. This is an official unboxing. The colors look so pretty online. You guys are getting first look. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm getting ready. This is happening. This is Wild West, by the way. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna swatch on my arm. I need to see how flipping gorgeous these colors are, and I need to see it now. Let's do it. We're just going for it. Start here. Okay, it's not showing a lot, but it is a nude color to be fair. That is called Standoff. This is Spur right next to it. Okay, we got another one going. And then we got Nudie. Okay, Nudie. Oh, okay, these are really fun neutrals. Given the fact that my eyes are green and blue, just depending on the day what color they decide to be, these nude colors are really good for that. This gold bronze is called Hold'em. Don't worry guys, I know you love my makeup videos because they always do really good. No, they don't, but I love them and you're getting one with this palette, whether you like it or not. I'm rare form today. I don't know what's going on. This is Cowboy Rick. I don't know who Rick is, but evidently he's a cowboy and is sparkly. Okay, that's so pretty. Ooh, Lardo? Gotta do the country accent. I don't get this reference, but that's the one that is pretty, but I don't know how to pronounce that name. Next, we have Bud. This kind of matches my shirt that I'm wearing. Rustler, this shimmery brown, kind of a darker bronze really. My imagination is going wild right now, guys. All the possibilities. Ghost Town is this more like clay. Oh my gosh, and it's going on so nicely. This is called Whiskey, so it's whiskey colored. Oh my gosh. These are so pretty. This is Tex, good old Tex. That is very earthy. That's good. Christmas pine tree green right there. This last color, which is kind of like a dark mauve. Pony Up. Okay, that looks more charcoal. That's kind of tough, but I tried my best. When you open it up, it says most wanted. How fun. And then it's like sneaky skin. Love this so much. But that is not the only thing I got from Ulta. I think it was the car vlog where I showed you guys that I was going to try this out and I got it at Ulta. I loved it so much. It's already gone. I was using it daily. So this time I splurged for the bigger one to last me longer and I loved it. Highly recommend. So I got more. And then again, I got another Gucci perfume. This stuff smells so good. Oh look! I didn't even plan it, but I'm kind of matching the bottle. Gucci Flora. This is the jasmine scent, gorgeous jasmine. I love the smell of jasmine. It grows naturally in my backyard, and whenever it blooms, I'm just the happiest because it smells so good and it looks so pretty. This will be a nice spring scent. Now, I do have a bone to pick with this next one. I did Cyber Monday for Kate Spade. They were having bundle sales. I saved too much money. I want to say I spent 150 bucks. I'm not exactly sure. One of their bundle sets, I got a Kate Spade backpack because I do a lot of traveling and sometimes it's just a pain in the butt to hold a purse everywhere. And I'm thinking, you know, future Disney trip, this is the perfect little park hopper backpack because it's cute and it's small backpack. With that bundle, it got me a nice, I'm opening this for the first time, wallet. And it's not a small wallet either. This is a very chunky wallet. Look at that. Also flips open for your cards, cash. There's a cash bill holder on the inside. I'm liking what I'm seeing. I love these colors. The black, tan, white, very neutral, goes with a lot of stuff. I think it looks very elegant. Let's see, let's, for fun, kicks and grins. I saw a tag in here. This wallet by itself is almost $200 for both of these things. It's still not as much as this wallet is, full price. Outlet stores, Kate Spade outlet, Black Friday, Cyber Monday. This backpack, originally $360. Insane. I would not buy this at full price, especially when I can get it for significantly less. How very pretty. It's so pretty. Now we come to the only complaint I have about my Kate Spade purchase, and it was one of the big reasons why I wanted to shop at Kate Spade in the first place. If you spent a certain amount of money, you were supposed to get a free tote with your purchase. I didn't get a free tote, and that made me upset. I got my free blanket from Ulta, and I got another free tote, thank God, for pink. I got some like workout stuff. Look at this thing. It's huge. This is more than a tote. This is a duffel bag. So cute. Pink sent me what I needed. So why didn't Kate Spade? And I didn't complain because I didn't want to go through the process. It's not that big of a deal, but I will rant here because I can. Anyway, guys, in spirit of the Christmas season, let's wrap it up. This is pretty much it to get Christmassy and to show you some of the fun finds I got, and maybe it's inspiration for you guys to do some Cyber Monday shopping, some Black Friday shopping. Get those deals because they can be insane, and it's really nice if you need a blanket. It's really nice if you need a tote. This is awesome for gym bag. This is awesome for grocery shopping. I live and swear by reusable bags for grocery shopping. Anyway, I hope you guys are getting festive. I hope you guys are appreciating this holiday season and celebrating it in the best way you know how. Thank you guys for coming and hanging out with me. I'll see you next time, guys. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay merry and bright. I'll see you soon.